everybody, it's China Lavish and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be an apartment tour. I just moved into my new apartment. I am super excited. I've been in here for about a couple days now. I'm just gonna give y'all like a quick tour of the unfurnished apartment. I'm really grateful though. I'm really grateful because it's not my first apartment, because I was living in student apartments before this, but this is my first apartment that I actually like. I didn't need a co-signer, you know what I'm saying? Like it's all me. It's all me. So yes, I'm gonna shut up and we're gonna get into the video. Let's get into it. So when you first walk in, this is my dining room. I got some miscellaneous stuff over there in the corner, so don't mind that. I'm planning on putting like some bar stools here. Of course, my dining room table here, and maybe like a little bar or something right here. So here is the first room when you first walk in. This room was supposed to be my filming and beauty room, but Jasmine decided to stay in Austin a little bit longer, so this is going to be her room until she leaves. This is the closet, double doors, spacious. And then this is the kitchen. So y'all, when I first moved in here, the kitchen did not look like this. If you want to find out how I did this, tune into the next video. I have a dishwasher, you know, sink. I just bought that, just put that up there. The microwave, cabinets. The front office gave me this. This is so cute. I also did change the shower head. The shower head did not come with the apartment. I changed it too, and that's pretty simple. You just unscrew it and screw the new one on. Is the washer and dryer. I don't like this. This is right here. Like, what the fuck? Like, I don't get it, but yeah. It doesn't really have a lot of storage. Me and Jasmine tends to put like a lot of like cleaning stuff up here, the cat's food and stuff. So I don't know how we're gonna work this out, but yeah, a nice washer and dryer. And then we have the living room. So I plan on putting like my couch right here and mounting a TV there. Comforter stuff over here because I've been sleeping here to get the DIY project done. There isn't really good lighting, so I'm apologizing for that. Here is my closet. It's a decent sized closet. And then we're gonna go into my bathroom. Now I already have this kind of set up. I have these cabinets, which I absolutely love. A lot of storage space in the bathroom. I just have like a plant right here and like a little candle, toilet, got a little trash bin and some cleaning stuff. And then this is the shower.